Hello, guys. Welcome back to Meikos Shuckaluck. Hope you're all doing good today. This guy here is watching to see what I eat. As you can tell, he's vicious, isn't he? Alright, but anyways, uh, today for lunch I'm having a banana and cottage cheese. So, it's I did go off diet for a few days, but I'm back on it today. It's just one of those things, It's hard to diet and to lose weight and to do it, healthy. So, how are you all doing today? That's the more important question. And are you having a great day? What are you guys eating for lunch for healthy wise? Try to help better your health. Put a comment in below. Let me know. Your Heavenly Father, please bless and nourish this food. And give me the strength which I need. Thank you for providing it. Thank you for everything you've done. I say things in Jesus Christ. Okay. Who wants to bite a cottage cheese? Sucker sure is good, that's for sure. I know I eat a lot of cottage cheese. You guys have seen that and you witness it. But anyway, it is definitely a fight for trying to eat right um, and eat healthy. You can notice I got the Diet Cola where there's no calories in it, nothing crazy. But anyway, let me know how you guys are all doing. I will be getting on the scale sometime this week is what I'm thinking, or come Monday. I'll get on the scale and see how much I've lost. I know I've lost some weight. I don't know how much. I've got no clue on that. But we'll be finding out here shortly. That's for sure. Alright. Chumped that down pretty quick. So I didn't think you guys wanted to sit there and watch me eat the whole time. So, but anyways, what kind of foods did you guys eat? Uh, Sorry, can't think too much unless I have a cigarette going. At least after eating, anyways. But tell me, what type of healthy things do you guys like to eat? With prices the way going up like they are, which is ridiculous. All that is greed. There ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's between greed and the government screwing us all. But I'm literally limited how much I can buy for food wise. That's how come a lot of times you'll see me end up eating so much cottage cheese. Yeah, it's for something a tub, but that's not really that bad of a price. Excuse me, especially with the fact of getting all the protein in, you know. So it's really low on carbohydrates. Like per serving, you got 6 grams of carbohydrates. But yet on your protein, you got 12 grams. Your sodium's at 350 milligrams. Cholesterol is only 30. Your total fat is 5 grams. And saturated fat is only, 3.5 grams. My problem is you ain't got no fiber in it. And other things, so I wouldn't recommend eating it every single day. But if you like it, cottage cheese, and you are trying to lose some weight and whatnot, and get healthy, eat 2-3 tubs a week and call it good, or turn around and buy 2 tubs and split it in half. Eat something and then, have your cottage cheese with it. I'll put it on salads and stuff instead of dressing. And that, for me, that goes good. But I know a lot of folks don't like cottage cheese. And you'll notice it. I also have beans. And what I'll do is, not today, but come tomorrow, I'll have beans with, whatever else I end up getting. So I don't know exactly what I'll end up getting, but I'll get something, and it'll be another healthy day tomorrow. I was on like day 14, and then day 15 I messed up. 16, 17, 18, and 19 day I messed up on 20. So 5 days total now that I messed up on my diet, that I was just eating, whatever. But now that I'm back on it, I'll try to stick with it and stick hard to it. So, because I was noticing the difference, I was feeling better, and that's always a big plus. Try to stay away from fast food. It's no good for you. So, with that being said, hope you all have a wonderful day. And bless y'all, and I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Bye.